54 Mahendraganj Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. (55) Salman Para Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Yan Botham K. Sangma. (56) Kambigre Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. (57) Dalu Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Brening A. Sangma. (58) Rongra Siju Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Rakham A. Sangma. (59) Chokpot Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Sengchim and Sangma. 60 Bakmara Legislative Assembly Constituency, Sri Sato R. Marak. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. W.R. Karluki. Now we would also like to facilitate other three people. First, we would like to call our Honorable MP Lok Sabha, Smith Agatha K. Sangma.
Ngidai kejing tapti kebajam yai MP Jongi I Agatha Sangma.
Next, our Honorable MP Raja Sabha, Dr. W.R. Karluki.
Ngidai kejing tapti kebajam yai Dr. W.R. Karluki.
Last but not the least, Dr. Mrs. Methap A. Sangma, our National General Secretary Women's Wing.
Ngidai kejing tapti kebajam yai Methap A. Sangma. Tong ai kublai ya ka Women's Wing. Nagabanta ka Reception Committee.
We would like to thank you. We would like to give a big thank you to the Women's Wing for arranging and taking care of the reception.
Hakani kapor ka bamantapat. Ngidia snow ya ki jingruai na kaway ni kikenhun. But kata kaday ka colors.
Now we will get a special number from the team from Shillong only, colors.
Ginagajing tapti ka bajam yakaban colors.
This song, our team here colors have it's just a 1 week time. This is the, I think this is the anthem song for the National People's Party. They make this within 1 week time.
Ta kadi ka jingruai hakabakani kenhun colors. Kadang shutau menta dang shitayo. Bat kandai ru ka jingruai jong ka party ka jongi. Kumta kum kadak ka jingai kublai ki sai sisien ngan ai ka jing tap kti ka bajam. Nagabanta kani ka jingruai anthem jong ka party ka jongi.
Zik.
Hanupor maruai kipat ba kilaban yeng kilaban syat ru. Kani kalong kesni jong kejing kemen.
I request everyone to please stand up. Let us give the color teams our greatest support. We will all stand up, clap your hands, and move and dance wherever you are.
Gini kemen lang kita badan ni kilama kinra sejrong bat kini syat lang bat kakenhun colors.
Come on, everyone, stand up, wave the flags. Come on.
Come kiksi sejrong. Come kiksi sejrong.
Badan kiso ya kawang mau baro-baro kahabuso ya bampela Polo kujor wat slovela Nabi mabut parti kari ka NPP ka bab yang kam Ikam bakau ilayoi Karoy kapar katut syangi At madapon ibak renten Di kamaka katanang kan Karoy kapar syangi nanggun KNPP
Syat long kami syat.
Kawela ma KNPP Haka meka laya jongi Kijing sain ng ratsyapang KNPP
Syat hoy.
Karoy kapar kilong kiwa kari jongi Imlaban len KNPP pamat len
Come kiksi. Syat lah sejrong hoy. Ilong kami jadi kami syat.
perlu kari yakinong syut kagdup hati Pangong yalam KNPP lagi dan kam halagari Apek katam bawan deling syab KNPP katray kajab Kijik kala kelengkari Di bawah raka NPP Dan manapun kibak yang kemaba ketanangan Karoy kapal syangi nanggun KNPP Kawela ma KNPP Hangga meka laya jongi Kijing sakit ng nanting hok KNPP Upod usang what's no pela Ladag yadir na dumenswa Na dumawan KNPP Kijing pelot ilayoi Oh hakakot nginyateli Karoy kapar kantut syangi KNPP parti kari Kajing sarong kadayangi Dan manapun ibak lenten Di kamaka katanan Hagakot.
Hagakot. Ginaya ka top 3 macam. Colors. Hagakot.
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 Kublai Sibun. Ya kaban Colors. Kabala ay ya kani ka jingruai ka badai ka anthem jong ka party ka jongi.
Thank you so much, Colors, for the National People's Party anthem song. Let us all give a big round of applause. Come on, everyone.
Ginay biya ka jing top 3 ya ka Colors. Mentapat ngin poi siya ka waypat. Bat kata kalong nginyos ngaw ya ka jingkren nai Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo. Ibadai spokesperson but I candidate Nakakatnriu East Shillong Legislative Assembly.
Without any delay, now we will get an address by Dr. M. Amperin Lingdo, NPP spokesperson and candidate from 16 East Shillong LAC.
Ginagajing top 3 ka macam yay Dr. Amperin Lingdo.
Kublai Yapi Baro Kanok Pai Sngi Kabakmen Kabasuk Yapi Baro. Honorable National President of the National People's Party Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable NPP National Vice President Shri Preston Tensong, Honorable NPP Treasurer, National People's Party, Shri James P.K. Sangma, Honorable Basngau Bhalang Dhar, Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Honorable NPP State President, and Honorable Rajya Sabha MP, Shri W.R. Karluki, Madam Agatha Sangma, Honorable MP, 2 Tura seat, Meghalaya, all party cadres on and off the stage, all the 57 candidates of the National People's Party, and you, the delegates from Garo Hills, welcome to Shillong. The delegates from Jaintia Hills, welcome to Shillong. And we, the people of East Khasi Hills, welcome to the first assembly of the National People Party, the Khasi Hills chapter. With the permission of the Honorable National President, Mr. Conrad Sangma, sir, may I address this gathering in Khasi. Mapi baro ki paralok ki bawan na ki constituencies ki baper kani kadai kata kalumpung bangin ya ito itaw bangin ya tip bangin ya shim ya kata kajing sngaw shngan habang iya don lang si hajar kandai spa Nhau po ar san po snem menshwa kajala kajongi kayo nakading dawa jong pi jonga yakani kajala kabaid kajeng kali kalong hato mapi kakasi hills pikloy ne em banyatali kaway Kam jam pikloy ne em banyatali kaway
Hot!
Kani kadai kalumpong pi ki constituencies ki badang artatin. Wat sya yalam bakla haki rew shimet ki parti nong wei ki ba pentame ya pi ban kren sneo ya ka parti NPP. Hakmat jong pi mentakas ngi piyo yang ngi ki MLA ki balakloy ban e no ya ka kam ka bangi tray ban shakri kum ki MLA ngi resign da kawai ka sur ngi resign bangyong ngim kwa ya ka klumar hadin ka election ngi kwa ban penteli lupa ya kane kari kasi bait lajong da kabangi at lang kaway to mapi kinong siyong snong ka Kasi Hills ka West Kasi Hills ka Riboy to nginyayang lang kaway kumbang ipertasan pa usnem mensywa ayangi ka sarkar ka baklan ayangi ka sarkar ka banum kenrum kenram ayangi ka sarkar ka banteli kaway nga kermen da ka jingwan jong pi mentakas ngi sya kane kanong ba jong kane ka jala ka bait ki jongi bapi wan da ka jing skem jing mut what ting what artatin ka NPP kadai ka parti jong ka jala ka jongi lada PI ya ka jing kersyan na ka Kasi Hills ka bateli ya kane ka parti pinyo ka suk ka syangan hato kita ki jingja ki baper hakini ki benai ki baladep kem shim ai yangi kata ka jingyo i ya ka jing don kam ka parti bat ka sarkar ka baklan shim ya ka jing terwa jongi shim ya kata ka jing ya wer jongi ya pi kokon kasi kokon riboy shim mapi ki West Kasi Hills ya ka jing terwa jong ka parti NPP map ya kilat ki baladep handrei habadon ka sarkar ka bakle kaulang hang no pinyo ya kata ka jing teli jong ka jing rai ka badon kam ngikwa panwan ra ya ka roy kapar to mapi ka Kasi Hills mat shisen I lat yang i shisen bangin peni api ya ka jingla ka jongi da ka bangi teli mangi kinong yalam jong pi ngai pen i ya pi ya ka lenti baro ki basyong hakane ka stage ka rensan mentakas ngi ki wanda ka way ka jing tmo ngin wan ra ka roy ka par ngin wan ra ka syong suk syong sngan ngin wan ra ka jing mentoy ya ki kun samla jong kari kasi bait jongi syanya teli yangi ngin pen i ya pi komba pila yo uso jong ka jing tray shitom ha ushi hajar kendai spa nyau puar ai ya ka NPP ka way kalat bangin pen i ya pi teli ngi syong halor kane kerensan teli ngin syakri ya pi teli ngin ai ya pi ya kata ka jing don kam ban pen scam ya ka jing im ka jong pi ka baman la ka sngi ngin wan ra ka pule ka puthi ka babit ka babyang ngin sedang ya kita ki jaka pule puthi kiban ai lat ya kito kibam don kasapan pulis syaneng hadin ke kelas 12 ngin ai ya pi ki hospital ki CHCs ki PHCs ki bapidon kam haginong kendong ki jong pi ngin ai ya pi ka sensyar ka kadar ka badap ka kebabiang. Batang da ini ijing aik sai jong ai bakendit. She hajar ngo Khasi Hills. Telilang ayangi kawai kalenti. Ben iyangi kata ka jingkloy ka jongpi. Ban aya ka jingkershan. Na kathan mingi. Sya ka sepngi. Sya tay shaneng. Ai ya ka NPP kawai kalat. Ngin pen kala. Ngin IAP kasansnem kapabit kababiang kapadap kapapura kapakeu syajrang artet si hajar ngo si sentong in onglang long live shanya kashab hakadur jongka shanya kashab hakadur jongka si hajar ngo kublai.
Halo. Cho kini kilai ki kena ki belajar. Bat ki kerteng kilong I bapun adhikari Shreshti. Ladadan ki kami kipa ki bayi ki basam kin sengo bahaban le ye kendu ye ki hadin jong kani ke stage.
Bapun, Adhikari and Shrishti, these are the children that they are backstage with us and they don't know where the parents are. Parents, please collect your child from the backstage. Bapun, Adhikari and Shrishti.
Ni sengo banai kublai ye Dr. M. Amparin Lingdo. Nagabenta kitu ki kentin ki ba pi pila ay hakmat jongi ki pat ba ki blai poi lang ha kani kelempung. Kublai sibun kong kitu kentin ki jong pi ki ay man sim yangi kham tam e. Bangin ya long chitli nagabenta banwan ra ya ke sorkar kabangila ban sensyar lingba jong ka parti ka jongi.
Thank you so much, Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo, for the wonderful speech. You have encouraged us and encouraged the crowd. And also, with your speech, we believe that in the next general election 2023, NPP will come into power.
Saya sing and agajing tap tiga bajam yai Dr. M. Amparin Lingdo.
Let us all give a huge round of applause for Dr. Amprin Lingdo.
Nidan iwei power yai Dr. M. Amparin Lingdo iba ongkum dia. Oh lama ke NPP ki kawe man ki jaka Dr. Amparin menta in sayo jingjob shisha hoi ang jam hoi kublai sibun menta pat
जो दो बच्चा घूम हो गया वो बैक स्टेज में उन लोग का माँ बाप को सृष्टि अधिकारी प्लीज पेरेंट्स
ta mentapat yin yo biang sia ke jingkran nai honorable minister bat itai de Sri Sniau Bahalang Dhar.
Now we will get address from Shri Sniau Balang Dhar, our Honorable Minister, Government of Meghalaya. Let us all give a huge round of applause.
Gila ke jing tap ti ka bacham yai mas Sniau Bahalang Dhar.
Thank you so much. I'm very, very happy to have a privilege to see all the beloved people of the state. Such a huge crowd today. Kublai sibon ke jindon lang jong pikpai ba kalalong siya ba penjob ya ke parti ke jongi. You are most welcome to the NPP family. Honorable Chief Minister Sir Konet K. Sama, who is the National President. Udang lang bat ngihang ni kapor. Deputy Chief Minister Sir Preston Tensong, National Vice President. State President Iba Khar Luki Brangsul de Priang Bromingi Baro Hani Gelampong Kerkibelon ta. Ki Parlok Minister Jong Party ki Party MLAs ki MDCs ki CMs. Ki wai ki President ki bawan na ki wai ki district na ki wai ki blong. kublai Shibon dam don mapi ki pai ba ka jingelang lempung ba mata ka si kamlong ka bajob kadai si sha baju ong ka kong amperin mensua kadai perlok be jan ba ngaju ong ka kong balai ba phet ka kongres kong masau ba ka kongres ka don tang ka kali handai ka tayarom don so usel rom don so ban start kadai si sha ka ni barohon handai ngi ban pau ku ni sangu i pai ba baro ngimpoy berkat mindan kat ni handai ngi bu ka jing pan map ka we handai ngi la bu ka suki di pau hajar teli handai di pau hajar ngru dang don sut ka badang ying ngin le kum nu ha ka jing ngai ka jo long kum ni hi Sir Honorable Chief Minister, I remember on the day once after we formed the government in 2018 and one of the political parties said that don't worry, this is just ad hoc government. I remember those words till today at this moment. But under your leadership, you are able to convert the temporary government into a permanent government. Ngakan mau katu kapor, hak bagi sana sorkar. Don katu kani political party kibang, what things are? Bagi NPP kadai tangka ad hoc government, handai hak jing alam jong chief minister jongi, ula apan kela ad hoc seka permanent, nambah kajing start kajongu. Kani barom don kano, handai ai kublero, ya kino kipai don nak support ke party kajongi. Ingi sau tu klem dapi kipai ba, kamlong ke bajob. Mentang kita ni sanpo perangur ki kandidat, handai ingin pentip ya bi. Prangur tang ke sitting MLA ki bawan join na ki wait one ke party tongi na ki ta pati ki ba he ban ke mata ni MLA ba join ke party ki jongi ka jing yo i jongi ke ni election ke banon kala menlong ke ba pher mar balai yong ke ba pher para barok ba ba ki ilut hagi sau san mai ki bala lei barok ki brio barok ki party ki charge against NPP party Kano ki sa Alex, don ki kano ki judge, don ki barat ki black flags, don ki Alex hakir kom beper ki kano baka party and bika bamsap, ki kano baka party and bika bamlong, ki kano akiliang baro handai ngasau sorong manong kat kumbulong manta, ki tu ki baka noro kila join lang bangi sirup manta kasi hakan ki jaka. Handai ngi mau magi pendam yang handai ki desa ki bastad. Hak tu kapor kyo ida kumway ke partai kat kumulong mentapar kilayo isi syaba ke parti NPP kanwan ke single majority how arjar arpaulai denem dene pai ba na kata katau klem marten daga jingi tailang jubi pai ba ngi pan ke jing kersan wa pura ngi so to kat kumulong mentang ngi don kumba arpaulai ar samut ki sitting MLA hanai lati kena klem marten kat kum kajing pai parman kajing kat kum kajing yo ijongi man la kasing ilay atan keleng ikonusi ngi pej baka party NP kala kiuran hado kata kenang bagino gi pai ba bagino gi kandidat kat kum bolong mentani bro san pa prasid ngapai kedai gi fighting candidate bem don weru batlon kani don kano kajing ayu handai ki pai ba jong ke state class ngau kilayo i ki kena man ke si ke parti handai kat ki join party bikilong man ke kenta kat kumbalong mentah ngabok di sani au chief minister buron jongi under his leadership ngi claim martin baka party NPP kanwan sisa hajing jog majority hang usam banwan hoi lengi pai sakit development ba per baka sarkar klale nganong ipi sai baro ilai lud don ki important issue bam jo don ki bale hagi pau sam balale ka MDA government kala sim garai borba nak bertajong pai ba bagi pendep kum gini isu hau ngi sau to kan mau sau santali sinem mentakar kumbolong duna simna arnai baros katung yi ba kano ka sarkar ba kano ka party ka form government hapo jong ki sansnem ka instability is always there hanai ka NPP jong haji alam usa kondar ke sang ma baros sansnem don kawai ke siro badon ke leadership crisis hakan ke state ke jongi tekan mau pai ba perkat pai ba lengi wana ke single majority hakan ke tem ke mantan ngin yo ke sarkar ke baskem ngin yo man pendap ya gino ki isu kemudian kam nak mata ke state ke jongi yau ban pendem nak mata ban penbit penbiang yau pai bahi borok kawai ki program ki prepare ke sorka kalale hai sibit rausi amun pensengawi kita baro hanai mene kani gelang lempung ba ke jongi kalong kum ko jing sedang ya ke campaign kani upai ba ulawan kanisha kadai ke dak jong ke jingjob klem martin baka parti kan wan by hak single majority nakaliang ke jong am kwa makan bon kutin mar bon kinongkren ngan ai ke jingger ku kedo ya barosan peprangut ki kandid ki jongi kinyok jingjob they will be coming up with the flying colors in the next election with this we thank you kublai sibon metera jahin.
Atau saya stien kini kelong ke jing penpena lakar pat ya baro ki pat ba pin sngo ba ban syong bet ha kitu ki syuki ki ba pisong menta nakaliang jong ki volunteers kini yo ban sam ya ke jing bam ha kitu ki jaka ki ba pisong.
I request everyone to please be seated in your own place. The volunteers are coming around to distribute you all a food package. Thank you.
Ngi ai kublai ye mas niaw halang dahar na kabenta kitu ki kentin ki jong ki ba pila ai khmat jongi ha kani kapor ka ba menta ki ba long ru ka jing ai men sim kham tam ya ka parti bat ikinong kersan ke jongi baling ba jong ni usnam ha ka ba ka parti ke jongi kan yo ya ka solid majority laning in yo ban sensar tang marway.
Thank you so much, Sir Sngyaw Bhalangdhar, for your wonderful speech and also for encouraging everyone to at least vote for NPP in the next election and that the majority will be NPP seat.
Ida diwei power ya imas niaw halang kabong kumni. O kinong jantia baro kila it bat kila no yusniaw bahalang menta ya jing job kin pentik na hoy ngila yo sngow ya ki artli ki jing kren bat menta pat knang banginum that kat bang inang yo ban sam ya ka bam kitu ki jaka syong ki jong pi nginyo sngow no ya ka jing ruai nakawe ni kikinhun kibala pau bahapo jong kani karikasi kaba it ka jongi but kita kidei kikmi creative society.
Now we will get a special number by the Khmer Creative Society from Nongston, West Khasi Hills. Let us all give them a huge round of applause.
Jenmarang kondaki wiatenga nasimang ni asung ko biapon jrep jap asungi dongai bo chani rangko chini volunteers rang sokat kenne metela
lakar pari ki pat ba bakin sngo ba banum yang nak tik jaka song ki jong phi hendai pin song pe hang tu nakaliang joki volunteers kinyo banwan sam ya kabam ha ki tik jaka ki ba phi song kita kilong ki jingkerpat kublai sibun shwa baka creative society kan ai ki jingruai ngapen kan maya pi baka creative society kadai ka weni ki kinhun ka badan hang thi ha kanong ba hanong stoin jong ka West Khasi Hills district ha ka baro ilatip ya ka baka dai ka weni ki kinhun ka ba pau ba ling ba jong ki jingruai ki ba pher komta ha kani ka por ka ba mata kiti ki bompat yo e ka ja ngenya ai lang ka jing thap ti ka ba jam ha ya kani ka kinhun Khmer Creative Society. Kibala banyeng, nama kecing ruai joki kelong kepas ngau tenat, bat nginya ruai lang ini sat lang bat kiu.
Jenmarang kon taki wetenga jerangan apal cirang na ska wa kita parking kita yang na mangen wa ci parking kita niki yang yema uci toilet tonga andigi mana uci parking ci ba biap tonga uci yang na mangen nagi mangde chani ringani rang kon asungni biap pona sokat ken nasimang ni asung ba biap pon asungi dongai bo chingni volunteers rang sokat ken
Yada ka jing tapti ka bajam ya ka kmi creative society na kawanta kitu ki jing ruai ki bas ngau tenat.
We will all give a huge round of applause for the Khmer Creative Society for their beautiful and wonderful song.
Dan iwe iba kerteng Ivan la kumpenja ya ka mobile. Lada dan menu-menu ki belayo tam ngau bahai kerpat yepi ba pinwan ai hang ni hostage.
One person have lost his mobile phone by mistake. If any one of you receive or get the mobile phone, please bring to the stage. Thank you.
Hagani ka por ka ba mentapat nginyo saya ka jingkren Nai Shri James P.K. Sangma Ubadeiru National Treasurer but Honorable Minister Government of Meghalaya.
Now we will get the address by Shri James P.K. Sangma, NPP National Treasurer and Honorable Minister Government of Meghalaya.
Yada ka jing tapti ka ba jam ya Shri James P.K. Sangma.
Thank you, respected chairpersons of this program. Our most respected and Honorable National President and Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Dr. Conrad K. Sangma, our most respected Vice President of the National People's Party and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Meghalaya, Ba Preston Tinsong, my colleagues, Ba Snyobalang Dhar, our respected State President and Honorable MP Rajya Sabha, Dr. Karluki, our Member of Parliament, former Union Minister, Madam Agatha K. Sangma, all my dear candidate colleagues seated on the dais, all the leaders of the NPP, the national and the state unit present here for this program, and all my dear brothers and my sisters gathered here for this general election meeting of the NPP to kickstart the campaign for 2023 general elections. My brothers, my sisters, today is such a beautiful day, and I want to thank Almighty God for this wonderful moment of this family that all of us He has brought together today. And this beautiful day is made more beautiful because of the fact that all of us are here to send a message across to all our brothers and sisters in our state. A message of unity and a message of love. Unity, which is so apparent in this huge gathering that we have, that we are witnessing today. In the bonding of our party, which has always been more like a family than an organization. A message in love, in the fact that the NPP, in its unequivocal dedication and service to the people of our state, has demonstrated through all the work that our NPP-led government has done for the development of our state. I feel very nostalgic here today because seeing this gathering, being on this stage, takes me back to the 4th of January 2018, when we as a party, we were only 2 MLAs at that point of time, Mr. Nihim and myself, and our MP, our national president, Mr. Conrad Sangma. And from that very humble beginning, on January 4th, 2018, when our leaders came on the dais and they joined the NPP, and we went forth with conviction, with dedication, with sincerity, and with God's blessing and the blessing of all the people of this state, we were able to form the government in 2018. So today is indeed a very emotional moment because I look back to those humble beginnings, to those first steps that we have taken as a party. It is also a moment where I feel so proud because of the kind of achievements that we have been able to achieve together as a family. As we all know, NPP was started only in the year 2012 by our late founder leader, late P.A. Sangma. He set forth the foundations, the vision for the party. And those visions and those foundations have helped us to come this far. And although we started with such a humble beginning, today the NPP is a force to reckon with. It is a party which stands for its ideals, a party which stands by its principles, a party that has so much of dedication and love for the people of not just Meghalaya but the entire Northeast and all tribals and other marginalized people. And this is what makes me so proud that coming from that small beginning, today we are a national party. A national party with a state government in Meghalaya having MLAs all across the Northeast in Nagaland, Manipur and Arunachal Pradesh. It is indeed such a proud moment for each and every one of us here in our state that NPP, with its humble beginnings in Meghalaya today, has such a big impact and so many achievements under its belts. Facta non verba. This is something that any of us, if we go to St. Edmund's School, will be able to see as the motto of St. Edmund's School. And today I feel that these words are so relevant, which is in Latin but in English means deeds, not words. And today the NPP has demonstrated that we believe in action, we believe in deeds, we don't believe in just mere words. We don't believe in announcing that we will have a card system and if we come to power, we will give this much money to people. No. We believe in showing through our actions that we are for the people and we have delivered. Here, I want to take this opportunity to thank our national president, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who has led us through all the rough weather, through stormy seas, through all the challenges that we have faced as a party. And it has not been easy. All of us know, dear friends, how challenging and difficult it has been for our national president to run a government, a coalition government, and that too successfully to have completed 5 years of its term, and at the same time to see that the NPP party grows in such a manner from strength to strength. It has been no mean feat, dear friends, and which is why today I feel so proud that we have a national president like Mr. Conrad K. Sangma who leads from the front, who leads by example, and who has delivered, not words, deeds. Not just mere words, but action. And this is something that we as a party, having led this government, we have shown to the people of our state. I think that today is a great moment for all of us. Today, this brotherhood, the sisterhood, and coming together as a family to get to meet each other today is such a great moment. But I think the work starts now. All of us, all of you are our leaders. You are the pillars of the National People's Party. You are the voice of the NPP. And today, after this meeting, our work starts because now we must start working for the party to make sure that there will be many sacrifices we will have to make. We will have to put in a lot of hard work, but we have to ensure that our candidates of the party have to win. And I'm very, very confident and I have complete faith in our NPP family, in each and every one of you, that all of you will live up to the challenge and you will ensure the victory of all our candidates. My colleagues, Dr. Ampurine and Mas Nyabha, have said that we will have a single majority government. And I tell you
Nagaw hati ngawara ngiseo mangibay kali. Ngipensa yaki haki tuki garantin settle le amangi. Don kawe ka party ngakan mau ka raise question na po assembly. But kata ka question baki keligi ong. Balay mapiki sorkar NPP Pimsem Lashim Kialem Ya kitu ki student ki bapuli lani ki batrei hapo ka jelame kala jongi nang ta syuk ki keli po assembly ki ong pile kumno na kabenta jong kini kenang begin pa siya kayeng kasem joki haki benta baper jong kari India. Ngakan mausa uci minister bedon burob jongi ujubab. Ha kata kapor kidang wan pai tang kumalai pawa. Ki returnees ki bingi ong, ki kon samla jongi, ki batrei hakeleng saudong jong keri India. Kawai ngakan mau ke samla kaba ong. Ka kena samla kaba ai, ya kejing plasya bensem. Kaba pule hantai ha Ukraine. Kalai doktor, kong ladam don isar kon ngalade ban yap, ladam don ke NPP ngalade ban yap. Kolok baik pidang lentep mau. Ya kabakom kata ka parti. Toya perkhat bha. I invite all critics keep throwing stone on us. The more you throw stone, the more we get motivation. Because why? We are doing rightly, not wrongly. Ngipelut akato ka por jong ke coronavirus. Kombasan spa klor. Kinong kenok kiong hana. Ba kata ka pisa brokot kaledlot siya plau jong CM, siya plau deputy CM. Ko ki critics by it. Sngaw ba? What you kadeukti yigiway. Kalabamot. John bat ka NPP. Kenang ba? Nginang la syusyuban wara kejigir ko. Keparti kebatang menindap hakot kubor tang dekartaismen. Hana begin ai si hajar tengka sisri ai si benai. Yikilong keme. Si hajar tengka si benai yikilong keme. Ngai lade kupa tengam syak ngas ngojem dau. Nganum syak ya kalok janga. Bahkan sim tak si hajar tengka si benai. Nabi orang no kipat ba baik. Ko kikpakun. Wat ngop. Wat siapen baik. Ko kilong keme. Ko kikon samla. Kajing penbet si hajar tengka ngawang pi. Kadai tang hau-hau. Ko TMC baik. Lada PH sisa. Ya kajing duk kejela kejongi. I know mentah. Nabi orang no. I mentah. Balai bidong hadir medap election. Imadam Mamata, Pila Sanjar Kato West Bengal, Tawara Lem Kapisa Jongpi, Sam Yaki Baduk Kijongi, Hang Ne Pok Megalaya. What on and Ladep election? Nakadakadaw kinong Krisyan ba Jongka Party NPP, Nakerpat Yapi, Sngaw Baha Watsya Yalam Bakla. San Pau Prangut Pio-i Yakadur Kadar Jong Kikat Didet Jongi Kiba I Edaw Kiba I Erngeu San Pau Prat Liu Knam Ngin Ubalaj Hakaskum Nganyo Tupi Kalak Belong Tak Sipau Kasan Ndai Barok Hoj Undai Kaskum Don Kiwai Ki Parti Kiba Kop Kiba penyeng tak si pangut ar pangut hana barantam jong ke jelam Meghalaya ro bon kabalat bani kabadai tena kata-kata ngong ya pi ngau bah tongin ya mi nang ne rengkat kabensem kabakit kle kabensem kabakia Ai yaki leaders jong parti NPP sashi sen pat bangin sensyar bat kam tam token maulem hakajing doai jong pi hapdeng kajing syakan tok ababun jaj kababun rukom ngim kuslai Henry tang da kabenta bangila banwan ra ya kajing syakri bakuj kabasuba na kabenta jong pi barok San paus nem menta ki isu ki babjudan manut mano menawat siem ukornat sang mau siem ya karai usngau bahau preston syak berngem man kesngi ngangaong yap dep nak kebenta kapateng kapanwan kam lelei ko kornat ko preston hana pidelot ya kajaka jo ke Meghalaya ngaong tawan pedi hang nong ide kata kami Meghalaya ngadju ya to ya pi haka phase 1 kami ya sign ya ke MOU nak kabenta kajing ya penbet jong yu po du sam kai kabajia ngi yo nong kat pra square kilometer kata ro ngidak sya ai kublai de keslipar Gidak siya ay kublay na kalamayong. Ublay yung kita yung kadoonod jongki. Kapor kadang don bakin kalabamod. Long live NPP kublay siya jarlo.
Kublai Shibun sa nakabantag tu kikintin kiba danbor ki jong pi kiba pila ay kamat jongi ha kani ka por ka pamenta ngimla klamda ay ka jing kublai ya i ba prestun ten song wat apdeng jong ka jing sha kran ben ling ba ki media ki ba per ten rei ulai yeng bet kum uding se bilat ubarat ba kum ba ong ka ktien ya u pila ban ben Henry kumno pinrat. Ngadan iway power yang ilang baro. Lang teli lang te balate hamau bena isar perstun menta de hero jong pi jonga hoi hoi hagani ka por ka bamentapan Haswa bangin siyo snow ya ka video kaban peni hakibidei baka jingtray kam jong ka party nginyo shwa ya ka special number ka jingruai nakikinhun penta orchestra.
Now we will get a special number from the team Pinther Orchestra. I request everyone to please be seated in your own place.
Ngidai ka jing tap ti ya kini kikinhun kiban saay ka jingruai hagani ka por ka bamenta. Lakerpat iki pat ba ki ba ki jongi bakin sngau baha wan wan chong ha kini ki syuki. Sngau baha namar bakin jingelang kepat wai kitu ki ba yeng station din ki badan station road sekiar kin sngau baha wan wan chong ha kini ki syuki.
Jenmarang kon taki huya tenga, jerangan cakmanaha, jerangan cadingi dongenga cem, antan tani biapona ribataye, asong Cina. Dawan sini mongsong kepa meeting dongenga, maksud kucenga, one giman ciarang bangyen kali dongenga, ino ribaimna antan tani biapo asong pa Cina mulatenga. Metela, thank you.
Berhak strings dia semua. I shoot strings dia. Strings. Do it. Hello, kalau disebut pi baro nak kalian jang ka pentia orkestra ingin aku jerai. Kata jerai ke di ka kerteng ha ka kot puli. Syafiki perlok baro kali ka pateng ka bangilan kam start yang kam syai. Baka jing start jengi ka sapau ha ka rai ka bangin rai ha ka sengita buat. Baro nak kalian jengi kerpat ha ka kot puli. Boleh buat. Hey, Syafiki paralok jong kapating ba menta ngim day syuki babi ngim day syuki baduna ngilanang kiyo siya jong ngilanang kam start kam syai berkat asien syuaya kalaway bapin rai hay hoya la kahok ngim day syuk banyale kai dakan da berkat pato da pensyong dorjanai Ikin mau tang shu bakla tang kata la neno sans temtikan shu her pin babi halamar we Ikin mau tang shu bakla tang kata la neno sans temtikan shu her pin babi halamar we Ko pa karibu kapusan ba Pentami tungin lang ki basta kenang bandak na jeng babi kasyap yung kajing start kin mau dekat pat puli tungin mau dekat pat puli kupat kasi
kasih bayar dapusan bahala di Wat biar wan ngom was ngap tien syukur bapen kami Dongin long di bastat nang banlak na jing babi Kasyapun kajik start ken mau They ka got puli Tu ken mau They ka got puli Tien Megalaya kan bernai Isan snem bakayalam Ya kajel la kajeli Jeng kelaba buat Roy kapar yo ihi Hoot om la bandan Ban penduduk di om la Haka san snem ban wan Kan berkuat ikam basaan Hoot om la bandan Ban penduduk di om la Haka san snem ban wan Pagkari kasih dapusan bahala di Wangit wajong stop Tien syukur bapen jami Tungin laki bastat Nak banlak na jing babi Daka jing start tungin yang food Hagak bat puli Tungin food Hagak bat puli Ngin yan yan Hagak bat puli Ngin yasyan Hagak bat puli Kepat kasih bayar dapusan bahala di Wat diek wat ngok was ngap Tien syukur bapen kami Tungin longki bastat Nang banlak na jing babi Daka jing start tungin yang hul Haga kot puli Tungin hul Haga kot puli Kawai kasur Ngin ya bertah Kami galaya Karai ngesyong Hangi mentah Bantil syajrong Kami galaya Karai ngesyong Hangi mentah Kupat kasih bayar Dapusan bahala di Wat biar wat ngom wat skap Tien syukur bapen kami Tungin laki bastat Nang banlak na jing babi Kasyap yang kaji start ken mau They ka kot puli Tungin hut Haga kot puli Ngin yan yom Haga kot puli Oy go Oy go
Boleh Syibong.
Halo. Halo. Ngedai biang kajing tap ti kebajam ya ga grup penta orchestra kibala ai ya ketu kajing ruai kam tam haki bide baka sembol jong ke parti ke jongi. Mentapat nginyo ban pelat ya ka report trekam jong ka parti ke jongi kabla sensyar mentala santlikisnam apo jong ke cingelam jong ke NPP nadu arjar khatpra hadu arjar arpulai.
Now we will get the release of the People's Report 2018 to 2023.
Katba ngidang yo ban pelat nakaliang jong Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, MP, บัดกุมยูรุกีมินิสเตอร์กี MLA กินโยบันปลัดยากันดิกระปอดปรอกีปัดบะเงี้ยยังลังหากันดิกระปอดบัดกินโยบันยาทับกตีลัง
I request everyone to please stand up and we'll all give a huge round of applause as we release the People's Report 2018-2023.
อย่างนี้นายก็จึงทับกตีกับประจ
Let us all give a huge round of applause.
ำต่อหากจึงชากับอาดันหักโปรแกรมบันเป็นอีรูอีกวิดีโอลิงบาจงกันดิกระปอดเต็นเรย์งี้ยายไปยอดสักโปรแกรมขณะมากันดุมสลัมแต่หากกันดิกระปอดกับบันตางงี้ยอนอยกจิงครัน Now Chief Minister Jongi Ubadeiru National President Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma.
Without any delay, we will get the address by our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the National People's Party President.
งี้นายก็จึงทับตีกับประจำโย Chief Minister Jongi.
All the respected dignitaries who are present on the dais, and all my dear friends who have come from different parts of Meghalaya to be part of this general conference of the National People's Party for the 2023 elections. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for blessing us with this beautiful day. I also take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who has taken the time to come here and to be part of this very, very historic and a very, very important program. Friends, today we can see a galaxy of leaders who are right here in front of you. And so many of them on the same stage with us. But in these last 5 years, many things have happened and many things have changed. Today, I take this opportunity to really, truly, and with great honor, welcome all the leaders who have joined us in this last 5 years. So many new faces we can see. Kong Amprin is here. Ba Jason is here. Ba Hamlet. Ba Samlin. So many of our leaders, like Mr. A.T. Mondal, like Mr. So many of them are there. I cannot even take all the names that are there. But if I keep going on, it'll be a very, very long list. But truly, a sign that shows that the National People's Party today is growing. And let me tell you, all the individuals here with us today are not here just for the National People's Party, are not just here for their own personal benefit. They are not just here for politics, but they are here for a purpose. A purpose that is much, much more
than their personal goals. They are here to serve you. They are here to serve the people of the state. And today, all the leaders who are present out here have seen, have confidence that it is through the National People's Party that they will be able to achieve their goals and objectives of taking this state forward and serving the people who they represent. Friends, my late father used to always tell us, always keep the people first. He used to tell us that never be after position, never be after money. If you want to be in politics, come to serve the people and keep the people first. If you do that, then the people of the state will bless you. And it is through this principle of ours, the principle that our leader, late P.A. Sangma, has taught us. This is the principle that guided us in the last 5 years of our governance. And we face a large number of challenges, large number of difficulties. I remember that before we took oath to serve the people of this state, before we took the oath to serve our country, before we took the oath to serve each and every one of you, late Dominic Jala had prayed for us. Before we entered the Secretariat in 2018, our pastor, who prayed for us today, had prayed on that day so that we could get the wisdom and the courage to be able to take the state forward. And there's those words remained in my heart and in my mind, and I know that each and every day thousands of people pray so that the leaders can have the wisdom to take the right decisions, the courage to do the right thing. And I tell you, friends, that in these last 5 years, your prayers have guided us. We have faced a large number of challenges, but your prayers have always reminded us to do what is correct, to be wise, keep the people first. And through many, many difficult situations, we were able to move forward. Friends, as we move forward and we continue to take our state to greater heights, in the last 5 years, we have laid the foundations for it. There was a time in 2018 when Meghalaya used to be at the bottom of the different rankings in the country. Under simple programs like MGNREGA, which is the job card as we all know, Meghalaya used to be at the bottom in the rankings in the whole country. And in a matter of 5 years, today we are among the top 5 states in the country in terms of our performance in MGNREGS. There was a time we're not able to get vaccination. Though the vaccines were available, but the system was not working. We were ranked at 27, 28, 29 in the country in terms of the children getting immunization. But because of the hard work of this government, in the last 5 years, we are today, from rank 27, today we are ranked second in the country. In the last 20 years, the large number of roads that could not be made, this particular NPP-led government has made more roads than what was made in the last 20 years of this state. This NPP-led government has been able to give water to more houses in the last 5 years than was being able to give in the last 50 years of the statehood. In the last 5 years, we gave more than what was achieved in the last 50 years. What could not be done in the last 50 years? An issue of border issue, because of which many people have lost their lives. Many people spent sleepless nights. It is this NPP-led government that has laid the foundation, has taken that decision, and as you all have always prayed, that this government has taken, the government has had the courage, we've had the wisdom because of your prayers to be able to move forward and take the border issue to its logical conclusion. And I can assure you that if there is any political party that will be ever able to find a solution to the border issue, it is the National People's Party. And I assure you that given the opportunity in 2023 in this general election, we will find a solution and we will resolve the border issue so that people in the state, especially the border areas, can live in peace. My friends, this 2023 election is a very crucial election for us. 50 years of the statehood have gone. And in the last 50 years, there are many things that we may have achieved. The question is, where do we go from now? How do we move forward? And hence, we all have to ask ourselves the question, what is it that we will decide? It was 50 years back that Meghalaya had a full majority government. History will repeat itself. After 50 years, the question each one has to ask, that will we once again get a full majority government? Will we once again repose our faith in the leaders? Will we once again give our vote to a political party which has proved itself in the last 5 years, so that we are able to lay the foundation stones, so that in the next 50 years, every youth in our state will be getting the opportunity to be able to fulfill their dreams, so that every woman in our state is able to work towards ensuring that she has a happy family and she's able to contribute to the economic positivity of the family, so that every farmer can get the opportunity to be able to grow their products, process them, and get the best price for it. So that every citizen in our state, whether it's Khasi, Garo, Jaintia, all the other tribes, all the communities, all the religions who are here, so that we can all live together in peace and harmony and take our state forward. Will we lay that foundation stone? Will we lay the basis of that in this coming election? This is the question that we need to ask ourselves. And friends, I know that the people of this state are waiting. I know that the people of this state want a strong government. I know the people of the state will repose their faith in the National People's Party, so that the National People's Party will be able to form a single majority, a single party government in 2023. And this will depend on you. This will depend on you. And hence, friends, the time has come for us to make sure that we are able to fulfill these dreams. The dream to have a new Meghalaya. The dream to see that our state is at the top of the list. No longer do we want people to look at small states or say that this is a tribal state, that Meghalaya and the states in the northeast are not able to govern themselves. We want to make the people of Meghalaya and the people of northeast proud. Proud so that in the coming years, the rest of the country and the rest of the world should look at Meghalaya and say that we would want to be like Meghalaya. We would like to see that our governance is done the way Meghalaya is being governed. We would want our economic growth to be the way it is in Meghalaya. That is the kind of vision with which we want to work. And I'm sure with all your support, we will be able to move forward in that direction. मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, मुझे आज बहुत खुशी है कि आज आप सब आज इस प्रोग्राम में और इस सभा में आप लोग यहां पे आए। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि शिलोंग सिटी के लोग और मेघालय में जो अलग अलग एरियाज में सभी कम्युनिटी के हमारे जो लोग रहते हैं, वो इस आने वाले इलेक्शन में नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी को सपोर्ट करेंगे। क्योंकि मुझे विश्वास है कि आज नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी एक ऐसी पार्टी है जो हमारे स्टेट में एक स्टेबल और एक स्ट्रांग गवर्नमेंट और सरकार दे सकती है। एनपीपी के अलावा और कोई ऐसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है जो आज हमारे मेघालय स्टेट में एक सरकार बना पाए, और वो भी एक फुल मेजॉरिटी सरकार। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि आप भी हमारे साथ जुड़े, आप भी हमारे साथ काम करें, ताकि इस आने वाले 2023 के चुनाव में हम सब एक साथ मिलकर मेघालय को हम लोग आगे बढ़ा पाए, मेघालय में हम लोग शांति लेके ला पाए, हम लोग मेघालय को एक नई गति से आगे हम लोग बढ़ा पाए। तो दोस्तों, एक बार फिर आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप लोग इस प्रोग्राम में आए, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आप हमारे साथ रहेंगे और इस 2023 के इलेक्शन में हमारे सारे कैंडिडेट्स आज आपके सामने हैं। ये एक नया हमारा एक टीम है, मेघालय का टीम, और मुझे विश्वास है कि ये जो टीम हमारे सामने है, ये हमारे लोगों को आगे रखकर काम करती है, हमारे स्टेट को आगे रखकर काम करती है, हमारे देश के भलाई के लिए हम लोग काम करते हैं, और इसी मकसद से हम लोग आज आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। मुझे विश्वास है कि आप लोग हमारा साथ देंगे और इस 2023 इलेक्शन में एनपीपी की सरकार पूरी मेजॉरिटी को लेकर आएगी। आनिका सर पिंगरांग ang dengtang mansa ya cholkur ay na simang sakan chikon Garo Hills ni dengtang background ni cirangan da aluri bachim na simang sakan chikon yan meeting na remsak swa aro dengtang mansa na simang sakan chikon nga metelnaska da alo ya stagejo Khasi Hills aro Garo Hills aro Gente Hills ni dengtang back ni candidate rang da alo yan odonga Khasi Hills ba aro Gente Hills ba National People's Party na main blocking ham. Bak nga leader rangan, jerangan dengtang party rango dungachim, dalo National People's Party o, dalo na pe kusyong dalo party na kam kainga, aro dalo party ni tikito sakatinga. Uniga man yari bainga pa election an na main gam chatkin, aro nga na main kadong swinga. Ya leader rang ni na pachi, anchini party na main block tapaha, aro yari bainga pa hazar gani kolda katambil siyo. Anjing Garo Hills anongja, deba Khasi Hills aro Gente Hills ba, anjing cuma kata emilirang ko matne, anjing full majority government ko hazar kini kolda ketambel sio anjing naman gen. My dear friends, with these few words, I once again thank all of you. It has been a very, very long day, and you have all been very, very patient. I thank all the organizers, especially our youth, all our women's wing, all the organizers, the volunteers who have really done a fantastic job. This program would not have been possible without all the work that has gone in from our youth, from our women's wing, and from our volunteers. So thank you so much. I thank all the performers who had given an excellent performance today. They were so passionate, and they were almost as if they were like the office bearers of the National People's Party. You could see the kind of passion with which they were performing, the words that they were using, and the kind of passion with which they were singing was really, really motivational. So thank you so much to all the performers. Once again, I thank each and every one of you for coming to this program. And I wish all our candidates who are out here, that I wish and I pray and I hope that God gives you the wisdom and all the necessary blessings so that you can come out successful in this coming 2023 elections. Before I end, I would urge all of you, can we all rise up once? Can we all stand up? And I will say, long live. And I would like you to repeat by saying NPP. But I would like you to say it very loudly, because I saw that all of you already had lunch. So I'm sure that you have the energy. We in the stage, we have not had lunch yet, so maybe it'll be slightly softer this side. But all of you should shout with all the energy that you have, so that the whole of Shillong and the whole of Meghalaya can hear you. Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
The battery is very low. Let's raise our hands when we say NPP. Everybody raise your hands. Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
Long live!
NPP!
That's much better. Thank you very much. May God bless each and every one of you. May God bless our candidates and all our party office bearers and leaders. And may God bless our beautiful state of Meghalaya. Kublai Shibun, Mathela, and Jai Hind.
Kublai Shibun sa nakabantai ti kentien kibalong kisembo badru ki kentien kibala ban ai jingkermen yang i wei pi wei kinokersan bangin yo i kajing job how news nam arajar arpulai.
Thank you so much, sir, for the inspiring words and wonderful words that you have given to each and every one of us. And I believe that in the next 2023 election, NPP will win the single majority.
Hagani kapor kabamentapat haswa bangin siyo ya ka vote of thanks na Mrs. P Nong Polo ibadai i Women State President jong National People's Party nginyo shwa sakaway pat kajingruay na kakenhun colors.
Before we get the vote of thanks from our NPP Women State President, Mrs. P Nongplo, once again we will hear the original composition song from the team Colors. Let us all give a huge round of applause once again for the Colors.
Kerpat ikipaj ba bandum pat yalet.
Before that, we will have the vote of thanks as the team are getting ready.
Kublai epi baro kipaj ba kibadan menta kasngi saudong jong kani kapulo. I thank you Almighty for His blessing, open us and open this program today. I thanks ba Iban Simle and Kong Damelari Rendetiang for comments comparing this program. I thanks Reverend Bibi Wankar for the even version. I thank Sri Sir Conrad K. Sangma, Sir Preston Tensong, Sir D.R. W. Khalchieng, or Khalduki, sorry, Sir James P. Sangma, Sir Singabhalang Khar, and Kong Amparin Lendo from your Emperor's speech, and all the candidates who attend this program. I thank Sri Olamin for closing prayer. I thank all the performance by Banker, Pinter, Color, and Khmi, Great Society, and all with your program. I thank the media, print, and electric for and even thanks the photographer team and also for covering this evening. I thank the sounds team led by Ba Job Teuso and Ba Ibor Talang for all the sound arrangement. I thank Ba Jason Manner and Roxine MC for making all the program and the ground include the drop function. I thank all the NPP candidate MDC for your presence, and I thank the district administrator and police, MCL, PWD Road, DMHO, and other government department for permission granted and for assistance received and organization this program, and also the private security and agency for the security traffic arrangement. I thank the SRSGT MFA for granted permission to us the ground and utilize. I thank all the people and who all help us with the program this today. Thanks all the party workers from the youth and all the volunteers and all the block, the unit who present here for your all hard work we can achieve today. Thanks everyone. Thanks. Kublai Shibon Yipi Baro.
Kublai Shibon Kong yang kintian ay kublai kijong pi yang ilang baro.
Thank you
Haga
so
ni
much,
kapur.
Kong.
Haga ni kapur ke pemerintah ginyo banyayeng lang. But Ishri O Lamin, if they member of the National People's Party State Disciplinary Committee, by Nyo Banbu Hakijing Duai.
At this moment, I request everyone to please stand up in your respected seat. We will get the closing prayer from Shri O Lamin, member NPP State Disciplinary Committee.
Tongin doai. Try wo playing aingu man banta jong ka program ka bamela don rengkat bat ngin do basdang kat do ka ni ka banta bangin pengkut ika ngin mi nang ne atrai kunat rengkat bat ki candidate ki jongi atrai kunat ya ka ka bangin layo na ni ka program atrai kunat baka nengkong bangin mi atrai kunat kum ki candidate ki jong ka parti atrai kunat ya rab bakin mi benda ka mensem atrai kunat bakin bo shwa ya me blay bi emblay badon bor hakmat jongki bakin shepting ya meru atrai kunat Batman ay ki atrai kunat kajing start kajing tip kajing shampang ya ki bakin nang la pantrai haki constituency ki jong ki atrai kunat kerkui ki kemet kepat basyai bakya kunat bat kemensim atrai kunat bakin sengau bang pantrai na kebanta kajing don kam jong kajala ki constituency ki jong ki barok kawai kerku deru atrai kunat yangi barok ki ban mi nang ni menlek pai ki yang ki sem ki jongi don rengkat bat ngi hakelinti ya kelinti yang ki jongi banaya kerku deru ya ka parti ki jongi bangin la banwan haka jingjob haunus nambat ka jingai atrai kunat ngi yo I atrai kunat bamem syam le e ingi haka jingat lenti ki bangila de banyak katto santali ki snam nayat pitin ngi saunus nam ubanwan bat buaino to ai bagi jing ai badab yang ke jong Jesus Christ try ke jing I ba ke jong blek pa blek kon wa blem sim koi to da ai kini ki lai huai ke syong e sarangkat bat ke parti ke jong I bat ki nong tre ke jong I harangkat bat me atrai kunat ndom ta bat sedok ke bom cekon amen.
Kublish Bun kipat ba. Haga ni kapur ke pemerintah ngin sio ya kecing ruai na ki kenhun kalas bat kerpat ya baro ki candidates bakin sengau bahaban yo banja sundur lang kat ba ki kenhun kalas kidang yo na kebentaban ai kecing ruai.
I request everyone, I request all the candidates to come in front. We'll get one photograph. All the candidates.
Borok kandidat kini yang hang ni mat. Ha kakot.
You wanna party with spirits who's not afraid to fight. A party whose record shows that will fight for what is right. From all the political parties, NPP is at the forefront. 'Cause the trust is gathered, all for one for all. Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me. Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me. Many things they have seen, many things have been done. Make the liars prospering to get a miserable people brain. 'Cause the judge they got a roll alive. Brought proposals how to save them all. For the present and the future, for NPP we vote. Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me. Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me.
Shot, kick it right, what's your love shot?
Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me. Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP. National People's Party. It's for you and me.
Shot, hot
Oh
shot.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
NPP. Vote for NPP.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Vote for NPP. Vote for.
Oh
Vote
yeah.
for. NPP. Love for NPP.
Vote for NPP. Vote for NPP.
Ki jong ke jing kerben.
Ya kaparti badan kiso, ya kawang mau baro-baro. Ya bang kelak, uluk kujur wat slow belak. Nanti babun parti kari, ka MPP, ka bab yang tam. Kika pakraw, ilayoi, karoy kapar, katutsyagi. NPP NPP Maka negara yang joki Kijing sakit tak syabrak Ka NPP Paroy kapar kilo kiwak Gari joki Iblang banlen Ka MPP Mamadlendi
Kublai Shibun ya pi baro ki pajba leisuk poisuk poisan selaki jong ki jaka selaki jong ki snong ki badang ko aban syat kin syat
Thank you all.
Pajba baro letsuk blain kerkui pi. Kerman skam ba kinong kersian ba i jongi. Kin Tracy Tom halaki jongi constituency. Haga bangin penti kena bangin yo ya ke jingjob. Lingba jau ni usnam ar hajar ar polai.
Kalau kerpat ya ki volunteers jongi papinom padialek namar ngi haban lom banlang ya kini kitum kitam ki bangilapen jabok ya kini kamadan ngin haban tamno ya ki water botol ngin haban tamno ya ki foil kenang ba kani kejaga kenong ka ba koi haten ba kani meeting jongi kalawai ki volunteers ki official ki supervisor Sobha Tomba pila ya taisitam hap ya sya swasa cipen bangin ya lom banyalang ya kineki tom kitam kibala long ka pucuk ka kliala sa kini madan i kacing lekhoy kom ka National People's Youth Front koblai sibon
Sadir ng raksya ka NPP